Well, howdy folks, this is Ruby2's Food How To's. Today I'm going to be learning you how to make a cheese sandwich, and it's as easy as bread squared plus cheese squared equals cheese sandwich squared, of course. And all you're going to need is some cheese. I like to use this American cheese because it tastes good, and I'm an American. And I like to use this white enriched bread since I'm white and enriched. Now, you guys go ahead and just grab your 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, and we're going to put a sandwich together. And if you like, you can put on whatever kind of condiments you like, just whatever you prefer. But the basic cheese sandwich, all you're going to need is 2 slices of bread. You can use whatever kind you fancy. And then grab yourself 2 slices of cheese. You can use any kind you like. I'm going to use this yellow American. And then you got your 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese. You just slap those together and you got yourself a cheese sandwich. Now doesn't that look appetizing? Ooh, lordy, I'm going to eat this sandwich right now and tell you how it tastes. Mmm. Oh, Bob howdy, that's a good sandwich, I tell you. Now, y'all, thank you for watching Ruby2's Food How To's. I'll see you next time. Y'all take care.